Well, good evening, everybody, and today I would like to welcome you all in American Institute. And today we are again with Akansha ma'am. She used to come to American Institute and she has taken regular classes in American Institute. Even she has not bunked single in American. And listen to me, guys. Really, actually, regularity does matter because after speaking her, you will realize how she improved her English in American Institute. So before starting, I would like to tell you that after a long time she came in front of the camera because she was not able to come to American. So I'm going to ask such and watch carefully, guys. So first of all, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm fine too, ma'am. So actually after a long time you came in front of the camera. So can you tell me why were you not coming American Institute?
Because I went to in a wedding, that's why.
Okay, yeah, I know. So how many weddings have you attended last month?
I attending 2 weddings last month.
That's very nice.
Yes.
So I know actually in American, if I talk about like Barabanki, most of the students they know about you, and you are also good dancer, right? So did you dance in the party or not?
I danced in a party little bit. I don't know how to dance, but I know a little bit.
Okay. So actually you went with Komal over there or alone?
I danced with Komal and my sister also.
Because without Komal you cannot go anywhere, right? And with your sister also, right? Okay. So, can you tell me what's your sister's like name?
Her name is Preeti Singh.
That's a Preeti, right? She's also good dancer.
Yes, she likes dance too much.
Okay, that's very nice. So first of all, tell me, like, I'm living here alone, and basically I'm from nuclear family. So my first question is that are you from nuclear family or joint family?
Sir, actually, I'm from nuclear family.
Nuclear family. Ma'am, how many members are there?
7 members in my family.
7 members.
Yes, there are 7 members in my family.
Okay. Akansha ma'am, who runs your family?
My parents runs my family, mother and father both.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who motivates you, and what the things motivate you to upgrade yourself in the future?
My parents motivates me because they faces many problems and they manage all the things. That's why I motivates to him, and I want to say you should respect your family because they faces many problems for every children's. That's why I motivates with my family.
Okay, that's very nice. Nice. Actually, Akansha ma'am, each and every students are very important, to be a part of like a life. Those who are coming American, they all have some goals. So obviously, I have and you have also, right? So my first question, the question is that, like, what do you want to be in your life, and why? The reason also you have to tell.
I want to be an engineer in my coming future because I'm pursuing BTech, and I want to successful girl in my coming future, and I want to give all the things my parents give all the things my parents. That's why I want to be an engineer.
That's nice. You want to be an engineer, right? That's very good. And what place do you like the most to do work? Suppose you are an engineer right now. So where you want to prefer to go actually for working purpose?
If I talk about working purpose, then I want to go Chicago because Chicago is very beautiful city. That's why.
So listen, Fox, she wants to go Chicago. So yeah, have you ever been there?
No,
Have you ever been to Chicago?
I have never been to Chicago.
Are you eager to go?
Yes, I want to go.
Okay, tell me, like, who will you go with actually if you get the chance to go from here?
I want to go with my family, especially for the mother. I want to go over there with my mother.
Akansha ma'am, actually, what is your like height?
My height 5.6.
Okay. So have you ever taken advantage of your height?
Yes,
Like
for in the kitchen and cleaning house.
you didn't come.
So because I am to go Lucknow, that's why I didn't come. Yes.
Okay, that's nice, very nice. So what did you see in Lucknow actually? Often you go there, why?
I see Lucknow Placio Mall.
Right?
Yeah.
Did you purchase something from there?
Yeah, I purchased T-shirt for me.
T-shirt.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, I'm going to ask you because you are in America right now. So do you know about this guy? This and that?
American Institute. He is that, na?
He's
Yes.
and he's who's he?
Vikram Prakash Lamba.
MD of American.
Yeah. No, sir, I don't know him.
He's a cricketer,
He's a cricketer.
former cricketer.
Former cricketer.
BBS Lakshman, right? BBS Lakshman.
Oh.
Okay, that's nice. So tell me, like, when did you join American Institute?
I joined American in August.
In August.
Yes.
Okay, from like August, you are coming American Institute, right? And I think you increased your confidence, your vocabulary is over there. And when you came in American, you were, I think, I can't say you were not able to speak in English. You were speaking that time, but there is a quite difference between like that Akanksha and this Akanksha because you have changed totally in American Institute. So, can you tell me like how did you learn English? It was like punctuality or any other things you have any kind of magic which you did in your past?
No, sir. Nothing, any magic. Actually, I used to come American regularly, and I take lecture class. I used to take lecture class regularly. That's why I improved my English and confidence also.
That's nice. Now you are working on your communication skills. So can you tell to our viewers that is what is a communication skill?
Communication is the process of sharing informations, one to one more peoples. That is communication skills.
Okay, Akanksha ma'am, thank you so much for giving all the answers. So actually tomorrow we are going for outdoor training. So are you ready to come over there?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow at night.
Yes, sir. I will come.
Okay. So what place will be good for us if I go for outdoor training?
If I talk about in a Barabanki and in the front of Anand Bhavan, there is the good place. Swami Vivekanand Park.
So that's very nice. Actually, that's fine. I will go there with you, and not with you, with all other students, some of American. That's very nice. So I will talk about there. What is the problem and issue we are facing in the Barabanki, and how we can like develop these things, because we are young, so we should think about it, right? Our purpose is not to only speak in English. The purpose is that how we can influence to the viewers and the educated person, they can rectify or modify something in the Barabanki. Thank you so much, Akanksha ma'am.
Thank you so much.